In our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night, feel sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do?
Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 35 Meares Avenue here in Gracemere. This is a very unique property that I think will appeal to two broad section of buyers. The first being an investor and the second being a large family where people would like to have not one, not two, not three, but 4 en-suited bedrooms.
What do we do to love when everything's said and done? Out in the unknown, story took its toll. Thought I would've grown off the beaten track to become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past on our lives.
So if you're interested in buying a property that would be high yielding, or if you have a big family that would take advantage of this unique floor plan with 4 bathrooms, 4 en-suited bedrooms, why don't you give us a call and we can help you know more about this great opportunity here in Gracemere.